Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal.
I lie awake in bed for hours. I get your text, you say you want me home. Whoa, how do you justify the sweet things you say to me when all I wonder is why won't you save my number in your phone? I got no time for complications. We stay up talking to the moon. You got your list of
That the first time I saw you through the boba shop window, I didn't think it was you. You looked much better in person than in pictures. Funny that you say the same for me too. You already know that I love our conversations, probing all the deep topics, lasting way into the night. I wake up exhausted and blurry-eyed next morning, but it was worth it to think and laugh with you. But did you know that while we're apart, when it feels too much to think of you, when all the words gush from my heart,
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel
Rosat or Teresa. Sige na, doon.
I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would I? Why would I follow you? When you're the only thing unhallowed with me. Why would I? Why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. Under the heat, I'm half awake. I've been hung up on. I see the way.
Yung salud, pang solid yun yung Inday, pang sumbol.